exciting.
Oh, do you feel that?
Maybe because of the remote.
It's like genuinely very squishy, which I did not expect it to be.
It just took our existing sex and made it exponentially better.
It's a lot of fun. It's a very cool toy.
Yeah.
The chorus definitely has spiced up quarantine.
It was like, what else can this thing do?
If you go on the app, there's different modes and different kind of patterns and rhythms and stuff, and seeing her reaction was fun for me.
To make it go low speed, middle, high speed, and just to look at my facial expressions is what turned him on.
It kind of feels like like if you're sitting on top of a motorcycle and the person who knows how to drive it is like revving the engine.
I would either rush to the dresser to grab it or like ask Chris to get it.
It like really helps enhance like the rhythm and everything.
Knowing that there's an extra way to sort of spice things up really easily was helpful.
She knows what she likes.
I would recommend it to anybody, especially any couples. Well, do you want to use that tonight?
Yeah.